G5 kids.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Stilla Ray, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be bringing to you another lash tutorial. Not individual lashes, these are going to be strip lashes. So if you don't know how to apply the strip lashes, or you need a little extra help, or you're looking for a different technique to make it a little simpler for you, go ahead and watch this video. Stay tuned because it should be pretty helpful if I can get the right angle on it. You're sitting at home and you're watching this video and you ain't got nothing else to do with your life. Go ahead and share with a friend. Go ahead and thumbs it up and go ahead and comment. That's all I'm asking for. Let's get right into the video. So the lashes that I'm going to be using for this video are called I Envy lashes. This is in the style 152. This is from their 3D lash collection. So pretty much the lashes that I've been using lately have been these 3D lashes from the I Envy collection. They're bomb. These lashes are so bomb. I haven't used this style. I normally do either 113 or 124, so I'm going to be trying 152 today. Some other things you'll be needing for this tutorial are going to be some scissors, some glue. Big debate. Start a debate in the comments if hair glue is acceptable for lash glue, and some tweezers. So let's open them up. Super cute packaging. I haven't been able to find these anywhere, so I actually got these when I was in New York, so I haven't been able to find these anywhere. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your tweezers and you're going to go ahead and pull out one of the lashes. Did I just rip the whole entire band off? I just ripped the band off. This might be a fail. No, it's not. Okay, I ripped the band off though, LOL. Okay, so once you pull off the lashes, what you're gonna do, wow, these are big. What you need to do is you need to measure the lashes on your eyes. Nobody's eyes are realistically this long. So let me zoom you guys in for this part. Come on, come get close. Okay, I'm gonna take the lashes without glue and we're gonna measure it on our eye. These look like centipedes. So as you can see, I need to cut off all this excess, literally. Okay. Camera, I don't know how I feel about this camera being this close to my face. Please don't judge me. I know I'm a little crusty, but who isn't? So now that I've decided that that is the right size, what you're going to do is go ahead and coat this with a little bit of glue. Don't make the glue too thin. Don't make it too thick. It needs to be the exact right amount, or else it's going to look sloppy. Your eyes are going to look dark because you're going to have a coat of glue on there. And it's just not going to look natural. So, thin line of glue. And you need to wait for this to get tacky. If it's not tacky, it's going to make the process really, really difficult. You're going to be struggling. It's going to keep moving. It's just going to be too much. Okay. So, we're going to get it tacky. Going to blow on it. Get it really tacky. So while I let this get a little tacky, I have time to show you how I apply the lashes before I do. So when I'm applying these lashes, I'm going to put the lash on top and I'm going to start in that center piece. Then we're going to take the tweezers, we're going to pull it to the corner and then pull it to the ends. Alright, so the glue should be tacky enough. Take your tweezers, and I don't know if you guys can see that thin strip of line that I have. And we're going to place it in the center. Pull up. Going to do the ends. Secure the ends first. And then we're going to go to the front. And secure the front piece. Oh, this is hard to do on camera. If you've seen that one wasn't that flawless, but it'll do. So once you have it on there, once you secure the ends of the lash, the middle and the front, which the front is pretty much most important. That's the piece where people are going to be looking at your eye and like, yo, did she got these boys on or what? Once you do that, you're going to take your tweezers, or if you have lash curlers or whatever, and you're going to connect your lashes with the strip lashes. So just pinch them together. And it looks like this front piece is gonna pop up, but I can't really tell on this camera. Looks fine to me. These are a bad example. I don't know if I should even post this video. Oh my gosh, these are OD. Oh, these are not form-fitting to my eyes at all. OD. Okay, let's do the other lash. We already made it this far. I didn't know these were gonna be that dramatic, y'all. Y'all, what is this? Look at my eye. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pull that second lash off. We're gonna repeat the same exact steps, so I'm gonna go over it one more time for you guys. And I don't know if it's gonna be a good example using these lashes or a bad example, because they look bad, but it's easier to show you when you have a more dramatic lash. So I don't know. We're gonna go ahead and cut this lash once we measure it. Maybe that's what I'll title the video. Centipede lash tutorial. Some clickbait right there. That's some real quick clickbait. I will watch. Yo, these are envy. I envy. Y'all gotta tone these boys down. Alright, so that's a good size. Ready to go ahead and apply the glue. Period. Hot girl summer is over. But we got these hot girl lashes in the style. What'd I tell y'all? 134? 134? I don't know. 152. Alright, we got our line of glue. If you need to replay this video, go ahead and replay it, girl. Ain't nobody judging you. Just keep replaying it until you get it. It's okay. Do the center. Outside. Position that outside, and then you gotta get that inner corner, baby. You gotta get that inner corner. They're not too bad, y'all. Next step, final step, when you apply that lash, to make sure your lash is secure, blended with your regular lashes, you need to pinch. But this one is not dry yet. Blend them by pinching. And this will also show you if your lash is secure or not. You'll feel it about to lift up. Alright. If you mess up and you happen to get some glue like on top or something, or you did your makeup, make sure that you allow the glue to fully dry. You allow the glue to fully dry, because when you do that, glue gets tacky and you can either rub it off or it'll come off really easily if you just take some tweezers and just like pull it off. It won't mess up anything. So let me go grab a cotton swab. I see a whole bug on the wall. Let me grab a cotton swab and show you how to clean up those mess ups. So right here, when I close my eye, I see a little bit of stuff right there. So taking that cotton swab and twisting, and we Gucci. Or you can take your nail and push it down. Alright, so the last and final step, if you want your lashes to be very blended, is you're going to take your mascara. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational. This is the packaging. Really cute, really cute. Sponsor me. It's like, no. And we're going to be using that to blend our lashes. So I actually had on mascara before I did this, which is bad, which is why my eyelashes were like kind of messing it up. But I'm going to take some mascara and blend it. And if you have a lash curler, you can use that as well. These lashes are too much. Alright, so that is my video on how you apply strip lashes. These were kind of a bad example because they're too dramatic and not for my eyes, but some people actually like this. So I Envy lashes are great lashes. This just might not be the style for you. If you want something a little toned down or natural looking, I would do the 113 or the 124. If you want something that's going out, probably because I don't have on makeup, they look really dramatic. But if you're wearing makeup, these might be the ones for you. They don't really have that much dimension. They're all pretty much the same length in the 154 style. So try something with some more dimension. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up once again. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You know, you can't be a hater all the time, you feel me? And make sure you subscribe to the channel. I have beauty stuff coming. I'm going to be doing a curling my hair tutorial soon, a wrapping my hair tutorial, a bunch of stuff that's coming out or whatever. Be patient with the channel. We're still working. We're still growing. And that's all I got to say. Thanks for watching the video. See you later.